Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our honeydew list for my wife. He's been at me to do this for about 3 months, but we are going to show you today how to extend your sewer line out for your RV or your camper. So here is where our connection is, and I just bought some 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC, a 90, and I have another 90 for the other end, and it's going to go under the back end of the camper so we can just leave our sewage connected. And we're also going to run a water line instead of a water hose, and I'm not gluing any of this together so I can remove it whenever I need to. And we're probably going to have to haul in a little bit of dirt up here to cover up this sewer line. As you can see, it's a little high on this end, just so they can cut grass without it being in the way. So that's what we're doing today. This load right here. Then take this, put it on here. Put it on there just like that. All right guys, so there's the finished sewer line. It's a 3-inch line, a 90 on this side, and then my camper attachments on the other side. And I didn't glue any of it together, so when we move the camper for a while, I can just take this down and cap this end, and we'll be good to go. Now the hard part begins is running the water line. Push it down with your foot.
That's what I'm doing.
Push it hard. I have a feeling this Mexican backhoe ain't gonna last long. And that's all, folks.
For snakes. What?
Huh?
Watch for snakes.
Oh. We need that. Not that one. Put this on there, and this goes on here, and that goes into there. Got that?
Yep. What color are you using? Red, white, or blue?
White.
I like blue.
I can use blue. You'll never see it. What does it matter? Need another piece of that. Another to go into here. These to go into here. And this. Need another piece. There, and then that going to there, and that'll be under the camper. And then we'll get us a new water hose just to go long enough to go out to the hookup. All right, you said you wanted blue?
It don't matter, whichever. Dang, I always put that on backwards. I'm gonna put 2 on here just in case I screw up.
And that's my I got a 3/4 die in my crimping tool. I bought that at Lowe's, I think.
What did that do?
Crimps that ring on that pipe.
Why do you have to do that?
So it won't leak. Because this is Pex B. The other Pex they had that we wouldn't get was Pex A, and you don't crimp it. They make a tool that slips inside, the die that slips inside your pipe, and it expands it. And you just slip it on your fitting and it goes back, it crimps itself.
Okay.
Or you can get shark bite fittings. They just slip on, and you don't crimp them or anything. But most people, I don't think, like those. Cut it right about there. It'll be just like that.